I am on a mission to expose the top 3 Houston neighborhoods that will make you rich in 2026 and beyond. Because 99% of investors are buying in wrong areas and wrong neighborhoods that are bleeding money every single day. And just last week, I watched a new investor lose $73,000 on an independent height property that is losing him money every single month. These deals look perfect on paper, but in reality, they are disaster. And this really broke my heart because I know that my clients are buying in a better neighborhood that are making them money every single month. And I actually had a client who bought a property last year and he just got a $150,000 more than what he paid for the property last year. So here's what is really happening. Everyone is fighting over the overpriced, trendy neighborhood in the Houston area, but the millionaires and the billionaires are quietly buying up the entire blocks in this top 3 neighborhood I'm about to expose to you. And if you don't position yourself in the next 90 days, you will be locked out of this neighborhood forever. And you will continue to watch property values double from the sideline. I don't want that to be you. If you're meeting me for the first time, I am Wale Lawal. I'm a rental property investor and an investment-focused real estate broker based in Houston, Texas. I have helped over 400 new and experienced real estate investors to start and scale their rental portfolio the right way. And I currently own over 30 rental units myself all around Houston, Texas, so I know what I'm talking about. And the craziest part is that this neighborhood has the potential to double in value in the next 10 years. That is, if you buy a $300,000 property today, in about 10 years, they can easily worth $600,000. The first neighborhood is Cypress, Texas, 77429, 77433, and 77449. So while some investors are paying $500,000 for a tiny properties in independent height that barely cash flow or that even lose their money every single month, I help a nurse from California to buy something different. We bought a brand new 4-bedroom house in Cypress for $225,000. And this property was already renting for $2,200 every single month. So she's making a $400 pure cash flow every month. Now, the funniest thing is that this is a brand new property that comes with a 10-year builder warranty, and that means zero headache, zero maintenance for her for decades. But here is the kicker. ExxonMobil just moved their 10,000 plus employee to this area. We are talking about engineers, executive level employees that are making 6 to 7 figure salaries. And as you can get, these people need quality rental housing. When 10,000 plus high income professionals move to an area, you can guess what happened. Rent will explode. And from rent explosion, property value will also skyrocket, which means that investors can now get rich in this neighborhood a lot faster. But there are specific strategies I normally use to find the best deal in this area. This strategy just saved my client $30,000 on his purchase. As much as possible, I focus exclusively on the new construction with specific builders. These are builders that are desperate to sell their completed home fast because every time they are keeping a completed home is costing them money. And because of this, they are now offering investors incentives most people don't even know about. They are covering your closing costs, they are helping you to buy down your interest rate, and they are giving you a lot of upgrade on your property. More importantly, you are buying in a neighborhood that they don't even allow investor in the first place. And when I'm talking about interest rate, I'm talking about interest rate as low as 4.99% on an investment property, not a owner-occupied property, while everyone else is paying 7% interest rate on their investment property. And this is why buying a new construction will skyrocket your monthly cash flow immediately. So quick backstory, let me tell you about Marcus from New Jersey. He was about to give up on real estate investing because he has been burned twice by buying a turnkey property that become money pit for him. And just 3 months ago, Marcus lost $30,000 in repair on a property that was supposed to be tenant ready or turnkey. And when Marcus called me, he said, "Hey Wale, I've lost a lot of money buying the wrong property. I am giving up on real estate. Is there any way you can help me?" And while Marcus was asking for my help, it was also very clear. He said, "If this doesn't work, I am done forever with real estate investing." And just last week, I was able to help Marcus buy a brand new property for $230,000 in this same zip code I'm talking about. The builder even covered all his closing costs and he got 4.99 interest rate, while everyone else is getting 7% or more on a rental property purchase. And today, that property is cash flowing around $240 for Marcus every single month. And Marcus is now planning to buy his number 2 property next month with me because he was able to get a good experience as compared to what he has been gotten before in New Jersey. And the difference for Marcus and many other people I've helped is that they are stopped chasing the trendy neighborhood. They are now focusing on a smart neighborhood where the smart money is going. And the neighborhood number 2 is your East Downtown and Midtown area. This area area are experiencing a lot of medical center effect, I call it. I'm talking about zip code like your 77004 and 77003 specifically. This neighborhood and zip code are really great because you are only about 2 to 3 miles from the largest medical center in the world, which is your Texas Medical Center. And it's only a walking distance to the University of Houston, which brings consistent rental demand to the area. And more importantly, the area is currently gentrifying, which means people are buying the older houses, they are demolishing them, and they are building new houses. And the smart investors are positioning themselves in this neighborhood right now because I'm seeing older duplexes in this neighborhood selling for between $350,000 to $400,000, which you can easily remodel them, make them more beautiful again, or you can easily demolish them and build something new, which will be in the millions. And this is the craziest part. Even these older duplexes, each unit can rent between $1,600 to $1,800 per unit, which means they cash flow like crazy, and there's a stable tenant because of all the amenities, all the infrastructure around them, as I've just mentioned to you. Now, for this zip code, the key is to understand cosmetics updates you need to do to a property. Most of these properties will be in a very, very old condition, and if you can just go in there and do a fresh paint, new flooring, maybe update the kitchen, you will force appreciation into that property immediately. And by doing a forced appreciation on the property, you can quickly build equity and generating monthly cash flow on that property for a long time to come. If you want my complete Houston rental property blueprint, I'm inviting you to join my private but free online community of like-minded people where we help you to analyze your deal, give you real strategy, and support you to achieve your real estate goal faster. All you have to do is to click on the subscribe button and comment the word rental, and I will send you the invitation to join the online community. Now, here is the third neighborhood where I'm currently putting my $2 million money right now. I am building 5 duplexes in this neighborhood because this neighborhood is creating the biggest opportunity I've seen in 10 years. But there is a window that is closing really fast. The third neighborhood is your Third Ward and your South Park. I'm talking about zip code like your 77021, 77051, and 77033. The city of Houston is spending $2.8 billion in infrastructural development in this zip code. This is happening right now and is set to be completed in the next 3 years. New light rail, highway expansion, several road repair, a massive medical complex that will employ 15,000 people. These and more is what is happening in these 3 zip codes. And again, I'm currently building a 5 duplex in this zip code. I'm talking about 77051 right now because I saw the opportunity myself. Now, the craziest part is that you can still buy single family home in this area for as low as $200,000, and they will be worth around $400,000 in a couple of years to come, simply because of the infrastructure that is going on in that zip code. But here is the scary part. I am seeing 2 to 3 institutional investors that are buying these entire blocks every single month. So this is really worrisome because if they continue to do this, they will take control of this neighborhood and they will continue to control the supply, and regular investors like me and you will be completely priced out of that neighborhood forever. But the good news is that in this neighborhood, duplexes are still selling between $300,000 to $450,000 if you're looking for older duplexes. So hope is not lost. You can get in right now before it's too late. And each of these duplexes will rent between $1,800 to $2,000 per unit, which means you can collect about $4,000 in monthly rent on a $400,000 duplex, which means it's actually hit your 1% rule. Now, the secret is understanding the ripple effects in real estate. There are so many patterns that predict exactly when property value will explode, like the infrastructure I just mentioned to you. And as you already know, smart investors follow the infrastructure money and development pattern because they know that if they follow where the government is putting money into, they will never lose. So here is a quick reminder for you. Anytime you are passing by and you see new road, new transit line, and major development coming to an area, please go buy yourself some property or some land in that area before it's too late. And you should do this because rental demand and property value increase always follow where the infrastructures are going. And if you track it carefully, within 18 to 24 months, you will see that, oh, the value here is going up because of this. If you track it carefully, you will realize that yourself. So here is what separates professional investors from beginner investor. Buying in the wrong block can cost you a lot of money. I'm talking about $50,000 $100,000. Buying in this neighborhood, location is absolutely everything for you to pay attention to if you're looking to buy a property that will cash flow and that will help you build a long-term wealth for yourself and for your family. So I use a specific criteria that most investors completely ignore. I typically look for properties that is within 1 mile of major employer, like the one I just mentioned to you. And I'm also looking for school rating that is 7 plus, that is 7 and up rating. Typically is what I look for, and you can easily do this on greatschools.org. You can see the school ratings for sure. Because I know if I look for these two major things, this will bring me in the highest quality tenants possible that will stay in my property for a long time. These tenants will also be professional and they have the slightest probability of damaging my property. In addition to this, I also avoid flood zone completely and I focus on zone X or X500. I do not buy in zone E or zone AE. More importantly, I want to make sure the neighborhood and the street I'm buying is safe, because if I don't feel safe living there, I don't want to buy it. And I'm doing this by paying attention to streets with newer homes, newer construction, or neighborhood that has been seeing a lot of renovation of the older houses, because this indicates that the area is already improving and attracting investors and investment. So if I can plug myself in there, I have the highest probability for me to win as well. Now, having said that, here is where most investors lose money in the Houston market. And as a matter of fact, it just cost someone $127,000 last month. They find the right neighborhood, but they make one critical mistake, because there are specific properties that works for a lot of people, but most people buy the wrong thing. 2 months ago, a doctor from Dallas called me and he just bought a luxury property in River Oaks for $850,000. He thought he was being smart by buying in the prestigious neighborhood, but the property sat for 4 months on the market with no tenants. And because the rent is so high, only the tiny percentage of renters can actually afford this. So when it's even rented, the cash flow was negative $800 every single month. Meanwhile, my client bought a $500,000 duplex in the third ward and is making about $700 on a monthly cash flow, even though he bought it at $500,000 compared to a property of $850,000 that is bleeding $800 every single month. Meanwhile, he just got an unsolicited offer last week from a random person asking if he can buy the property for $575,000, while the Dallas doctor's property is now worth around $780,000. He lost $70,000 in value plus $57,000 in negative cash flow. That is $127,000 gone forever that he will never see. So instead of following where the smart money is going to, he bought in the prestigious neighborhood. So here is working in Houston, Texas right now. New construction, single family home, duplexes is the ultimate strategy you can play right now in Houston, Texas. You will get residential financing. I'm talking about 3 to 5% down payment if you're going to be living there, or if you're going to be investing, you can put as little as 10% down, and you're going to start cash flowing immediately from day one with zero maintenance headache. Plus, you'll be getting all the warranty from the builder. You get lower interest rate, among other benefits of buying a new construction. Now, this is also important. Houston tenants pay premium rent for properties that are new. Consistently, I see about $200 to $300 more compared to older properties in a very terrible neighborhood. But there is one mistake that can actually kill your cash flow. This happened before you even close the property. You never buy the property without running it by a local investment real estate broker like myself. There are so many things that we know that you don't know from distance, because we do this every single day. So you want to make sure that the property passed the 0.75% rule first before you even pull up your calculator to analyze it. You also want to run that the expenses on the property will be 50% of the total income you are making from it. So you also want to make sure that your monthly rent should be equal to at least 0.75% of your purchase price. That is what I mean by my 0.75% rule. So for example, if you are buying a duplex for $400,000 and it should rent for at least $3,000, that is, each unit should be able to rent for $1,500 per side. I am clearly warning against it because I've seen too many investors get too emotional about pretty and nice houses, and they buy that property and they are losing money every single month instead of following where the smart money is going. Because this property will look good on paper and even in person, but they don't cash flow and they will kill your return and slow down your growth for many, many years to come. So here is the final piece that guarantees your success in Houston rental property investing. Most investors completely ignore this and wonder why they fail in their real estate investing journey. It is your team. Your team determines your success more than any property itself. You will need the help of an investor-focused real estate agent who understand cash flow, cash return, cap rate, and overall metrics that makes a good investment property. You also need a lender who specializes in investment property because they can make or break your deal. You will need a rockstar property manager that know how to screen tenants professionally without any missing steps. Now, you also need reserve. Personally, I maintain around $5,000 for reserve for each of my property for any unexpected repairs so that I'm not caught unprepared. And I carefully screen every tenant before I place them in my property because professional screening for every single tenant will save you thousands of dollars in problems later. So as you can see, Houston rental market is about to favor the smart real estate investor who are prepared in 2026 and ready to take action. And positioning yourself right now could set you up for generational wealth to come. So don't be that investor who find out 3 years later that, oh, I should have bought in this neighborhood 3 years ago. Because if you are finding out 3 years later, I can guarantee you that you'll be paying $100,000 more if you take action today. So now that I have exposed these 3 neighborhoods to you, there is one cash flow mistake I see every single day that kill investors more than anything. And this mistake typically happen within the first 30 days after they buy the property. As a matter of fact, I just saved a client $47,000 because of this one mistake. Because 8 out of 10 new investors do this without even realizing they are killing their returns. So I want you to watch this next video where I expose cash flow killer. This video will show you a 5-minute fix that can turn a losing property into a money-making machine. I hope you find value in this video and I cannot wait to chat with you. See you in this video. Peace.